Hello and thank you for joining this video. Today we're going to talk about how to e-file a T3 return. Before e-filing a return, we'll first like to set up our e-file number and password. To do so, we'll first need to click on the gear icon where it says Tax Settings. Here you can enter the information needed for your e-file number and password. You can also enter your preparer information on the Preparer tab. If you have a T3 transmitter number, you can enter on the T3 FX transmission tab. Once all set up, you can go ahead and click on Save, and then you can go to the return where you're trying to e-file. If you would like to e-file your return, you will first need to check your Auditor tab. Make sure that all your warnings and issues are fixed. You can fix these issues and warning by clicking on them, or you can just check mark them or sign off. Once your auditor is fixed, you can go ahead and click on Transmit, and it will bring you directly to your T3 jacket. Here in the e-file menu, you can have a look at the T3 summary. You can also see that this field has the e-file number and password. Since we already set up the e-file information, those fields will auto-populate. If your e-file number and password look correct, you can go ahead and click on Transmit. And here you can click on e-file T3 return. At the e-file menu, in the Transmit dropdown, you can see that you have up to 4 forms that can be e-filed. Depending on which you're trying to e-file, you will need to work on those forms. To do so, you will have to search in the search bar for the specific form. Here, for example, you can see that the T1135 is grayed out. So to make it e-fileable, you will have to search for the form. So go back to the form by clicking on Edit Return, go to the search bar, and here type in T1135. Then click on Add T1135, complete this form, and once complete, go back to Transmit, click Transmit again, and now you can e-file the T1135. Here it will ask your e-file number and password. Since we already set up this information, it will auto-populate, and then you can click on Accept and file this return. If you would like to e-file your T3M return, you will need to search for the form, then add the form, select this box if you want to file the T3M, complete the form, and once complete, go back to Transmit, click Transmit again, and now you can e-file your T3M return. If you would like to e-file your T3 RCA, you will have to search for the form, add the T3 RCA, select this box if you want to file, complete the form. Once complete, go back to Transmit, again Transmit, and now you can e-file your T3 RCA. If you would like to e-file a slip, there is an option under the Transmit dropdown called Slips. Once the slip is complete, you can go back to Transmit, then Transmit again, and then you can click on Slips. Here, under Type, you can select the slip you're trying to e-file. Then, under State, you can decide if you would like to file an original slip or amend it, or if you would like to cancel the slip. Then you can click on Continue. Make sure your transmitter information are all correct. Normally, if you set up your transmitter info under Tax Setting, it should auto-populate. After reviewing the information, you can click on Continue. It will build an XML file and upload in your computer. Then you can go ahead and click on Go to CRA Transmission Site. And from here, you can follow the steps on the CRA website, connect to your accounts, and then you can upload the XML file generated. This is the end of this video. For more information on how to pro tax, you can visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.